Hello，大家好，我是 Kimiko，是一个充满热情且敬业的中文老师。我拥有10年的大学教学经验，作为普通话和粤语的双母语者，同时精通英语，我能够理解语言学习中的种种挑战。在我看来，语言不仅是需要掌握的技能，更是连接与他人的沟通的桥梁。在必要的时候，我可以用你的母语解释复杂的概念，同时我也会营造沉浸式的英语学习环境，帮助你建立自信，提升流利度，并培养对不同文化的热爱。我教授各个年龄段的学生，从5岁的儿童到成人，涵盖所有的水平，从零基础到高级学习者。那么今天就预约我的试听课吧，让我们一起来发掘你的语言天赋。Hi, I'm Kimiko, a passionate and dedicated English teacher. I have 10 years of experience teaching at university level, being a native speaker of both Mandarin and Cantonese, and fluent in English. I understand the challenge of language learning firsthand. I see it as a bridge to connect with others, not just a skill to master. I can explain tricky concepts in your native language when needed, but I also create an immersive English environment to help you build confidence, fluency, and the love for different culture. I teach students of all age, from 5 years old children to adult, and all level from completely a beginner to advanced speaker. So book a trial lesson with me today, and let's discover your language potential together. Hi，大家好，我係 Kimiko，我係一個專業嘅中文同埋英文老師，我有10年嘅大學教書經驗。咁我嘅母語咧係普通話同埋廣東話，同埋我嘅英文都好流利嘅。我好明白學語言嘅難處係點樣嘅。我覺得語言咧係一座連接人同人之間嘅橋梁嚟嘅。咁有需要嘅時候，我都會用你嘅母語去解釋一啲比較難明白嘅概念。所以依家就定我一堂課試一試啦，讓我哋一齊發掘你嘅語言天賦啊！